In this crochet basics tutorial, I will show you how to crochet unusual round picot. Before I made a row of double crochet stitches. Let's begin the new row. Chain 3 to bring up the yarn. 1, 2, 3. Make double crochet into the second stitch of the previous row. Let's make one more time double crochet through the next stitch. On the top of this double crochet I will be making round picot. For this, chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We skip first chain stitch away from the hook. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch away from the hook by making a slip stitch. Then I will be making slip stitch into each chain stitch. Let's count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9. We have just done 9 slip stitches and we continue the work. Now insert the hook into the chain stitch that we skipped before. Now insert the hook into the 2 loops of the double crochet. Take the working yarn, pull it through. The first round picot is ready. Let's make some doubles. Make double crochet through the next stitch. And let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, and on the top on this double crochet I will make round picot. Chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We skip the first stitch. Insert the hook into the second chain stitch by working a slip stitch. Then 8 slip stitches more. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, I take the picot in this way, insert the hook into the first chain stitch that we skipped before, insert the hook into 2 loops of the single crochet, take the working yarn, pull it through. The second round picot is ready. Make double crochet through the next stitch. Let's stop and look at work. We have just done 2 round picots. Each picot consists of 10 chains. It can be different number of chains. Today we have learned how to crochet round picots. This is front side. And let's take a look at the back side. For more video tutorials, please visit our website sharronknitting.com. Thanks for watching. We are pleased to inform you that we have opened membership service on our website. Membership includes an access to the video tutorials which are published every week. Only at sharronknitting.com and only for members. For more detailed information, please visit the membership page at sharronknitting.com. Thanks for watching.